Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning, guys. This is TOS mini project done by Jay Thakkar, Yash Patharwat, and Aditya Vairat. The topic is earthquake resistant structures. Introduction. It is well known that the structure designed by current codes undergo large inelastic deformation during major earthquakes. However, current inelastic design approach is generally based on elastic analysis and accounts for inelastic behavior in a somewhat indirect manner. In the current US seismic design practice, it is common to obtain design-based shear from code-specified spectral acceleration, assuming the structures to behave classically and reducing it by force reduction factor. Depending upon available ductility of the structural system, the design forces are adjusted for the importance of specific structures by using an occupancy importance factor. After selecting the member size for required strength as obtained from elastic analysis, the calculated drift. Morning, guys. I Jay Hitesh Thakkar of Civil Engineering second year, roll number 22. I am presenting you theory of structures mini project. The theory of structures mini project topic is earthquake resistance building. See now what happens if I attach the phone to this model building to the ground or this piece of book. First of all, I have downloaded the Google Science Journal app, which will be used to measure the earthquakes. In this, you have to start it. I have kept the phone. I have started recording. We will record it for 5, 10, 20 seconds. Now we will see the reading, that is minimum is minus 3.0 meter per second square and maximum is 2.9 meter per second square. Now we will make a little adjustments. Now watch what happens if I put the house on these markers, which act like rollers and allow it to slide relative to the ground. Now we will measure it again. Why? Because we have kept these rollers on this house, which markers which act as rollers. Now we will record it. Now we will again move it. Now we will see it. What's the readings? See, last time it was 3 and it was 2.1. Now it is very much less because we have added this support. So we will again to see. This will not be able to completely stop the building, as it can fall from one side. See, it is fallen from one side, so we need to make again little adjustments. So see, now we have attached little sellotape from this, so it will not move from one side. Now we again rotate the see the earthquake resistance acceleration. See, now we will again keep the mobile and we will again record it. See now what's happened. Now we will again shake it. Now we will stop it and see the readings. See now, it is very less. Now because we have done this, it will not fall from side. it will only rotate it. So that's we need to make little adjustments. First reading was minus 3.0, maximum was 2.9. Now second reading was 0.9, maximum was 2.4. Now recording 3, minimum was minus 3.3, maximum was 3.1. So this was a little experiment to prove earthquake resistance buildings. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.